Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Hey y'all, my name is Kyla, and on my channel I do everything beauty, lifestyle, advice. In today's video I will be creating this colorful look. I tried to recreate this look from Verdi. I think I'm saying that right. I saw this look on Instagram. I'll just post the picture somewhere. I'll post that picture. Yeah, I saw this look on Instagram and I thought it was so pretty. So I haven't done makeup in a couple of months, so I thought why not try to get back to the brushes with a colorful look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on my post notification bell. All of my information, all of my social medias, all of that will be linked down below. But enough of the talking, let's get to the tutorial. So jumping right into the tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Catch up, follow, pause, do all that good stuff. Do what you gotta do. So I'm taking my Plouise base. This is in the shade Rumor 5. And I'm just, you know, taking it and just placing it all on my lids. And then I'm gonna take, listen, these brushes are old, so all I know is it's the BH Cosmetics, what is it, Sculpt and Blend brush kit. It come out of that kit. So I'm just gonna use this brush. You can tell I had it for a while. It's been beat up, toe up, chewed on, girl. I'm going into my Plouise palette. See it, okay. It's a pretty hefty palette, but yeah, this is not a travel size. So I'm just gonna take this yellow right there. So I'm just gonna pat, get a little bit more. We're gonna go pat, and I'm just gonna, you know, take it in my inner corner, kind of bring it up just a little close to my eyebrow, but not really. So I'm kind of taking a mixture of this orange and that orange, because this orange just didn't seem light enough for me. So then I dabbed in this orange, but this orange seemed a little too close to the pink, and I knew I had to use pink later, so I went back to this orange. So I'm just, you know, dab. The key to this is when you bring it up, kind of like blend it out so you won't have any like hard edges. As earlier, this is the Secret Center palette, by the way, with Plouise, and I'm gonna take this pink shade right here. Then I'm gonna take this purple shade out of the Plouise palette as well, and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner, kind of like wing it out. Hey, look at that wrist. Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist. I'm gonna take this light black shade right here. Wipe off this excess off my eye. gonna go in my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm gonna take, what shade is it? Moon Dust. It's this little shimmer shade right here. And I'm gonna go, hold up, can't see that way. I'm gonna use the mirror that's on here, and I'm gonna go, ooh, my lab. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. Why am I like this? I'm gonna take this sample I got from Sephora. It's the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. Girl, I don't know. It's something that's good for your face. I never used it. Y'all, I've been working on my skin, and I definitely, if you've been a part of, you know, the Slay Baby fam, and you've seen the growth of my skin, you would know that I have it, like, I still do have dark spots, but they're not as dark as they used to be. But if you watch my older videos, makeup videos, you will see how my skin used to be. But I'm just so proud of the growth of my skin. This smells so good. Whew. Girl, I have to get the, ooh, baby, I have to get the big bottle of this, baby, because this. Alright, so on with the face. Like I said, I'm gonna take my all-time favorite, very affordable, I think it's like $5 or $6 at Walmart. It is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade D70. And I'm gonna just get my damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna just dab a little bit. You know, cause I don't need too much. I don't.
Baby, when we're grinding, that's right. I get so excited. Ooh, how I like it. I try, but I can't fight it. Oh, you're dancing real close. Plus it's real, real slow. You know what you're doing, don't you? Baby, when we're I get so excited. Come on.
What is this? Whatever I could grab. My LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Ooh, baby, look like I need to re-up. Ooh, honey. So I'm just gonna go whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Why do I gotta make noise, sound effects every time I put something? Guess I'll put a little something right here. A little something. A little something. Let's see, if I go in the Plouise palette and take this brown shade right here. I never did this before, so kids, don't try this at home. Now I'm gonna go into my Sephora pressed powder in the shade, what is this? Deep Ebony. I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty palette again. I'm gonna take the shade Blessed. Hashtag Blessed. Okay, girl. That I am. Oh, this is cute. What's Blessed? Oh, yes. Blessed and highly favored. Blessed and highly favored. But, girl, like this, I'm gonna have to use them more often.